Hi there. Can I help you find something?
Hi, yes. I'm looking for a new pair of running shoes.
Sure thing. Do you have any brand preferences or specific features you're looking for?
I'm not too picky about the brand, but I need something comfortable and good for long-distance running.
Got it. What's your shoe size?
I'm a size 7.
Great. Let me show you some options. Here are a few popular models: the Nike Air Zoom, Adidas Ultra Boost, and Asics Gel Nimbus. Would you like to try any of these on?
Yes, I'd like to try the Nike Air Zoom and the Asics Gel Nimbus, please.
Sure, I'll grab those for you. Here you go. Feel free to take a seat and try them on.
These are both really comfortable. Do you have them in any other colors?
Yes, the Nike Air Zoom comes in black, blue, and pink. And the Asics Gel Nimbus is available in gray and white.
I like the black ones. How much are they?
The Nike Air Zoom is $120, and the Asics Gel Nimbus is $130.
Do you have any discounts or promotions going on right now?
Yes, we're currently offering a 10% discount on all running shoes.
That's great. I'll take the black Nike Air Zoom.
Excellent choice. Would you like to purchase any socks or insoles to go with your new shoes?
Yes, I could use some new running socks.
We have a variety of running socks right over here. These are all designed to provide extra comfort and support.
I'll take a pair of these as well. I'm ready to check out now.
Do you have a membership with us? You can earn points and get exclusive discounts.
No, I don't. How do I sign up?
It's simple. Just download our app and fill out your information. You can easily sign up for a membership through the Shoe Haven app on your phone.
Thank you. I'm excited to try out my new shoes.
You're welcome. Enjoy your new shoes, and we hope to see you again soon.
Definitely. Thanks for all your help.
My pleasure. Have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content.